Hey everyone, in this today's video I'll show you how to enable dark mode on Telegram in new update. First open the Telegram app on your phone and go to the main screen. Tap the setting icon in the top left corner or tap your setting and open the settings. Now tap on chat settings or API range depending on your device. Here you will see dark mode option. Simply tap dark or enable the toggle to turn on instantly. You can also choose system default if you want to Telegram to match your phone theme. And that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Telegram tips. Tata.